Hey y'all.
So we are starting off with freshly washed hair. But I know y'all see the shine and moisture though, and the curls. And I straighten my hair every month and I still got my curls intact. So period. If y'all want a video on that, let me know. I use 2 shampoos to wash my hair. For the first wash, clarifying, and then the second wash, a moisturizing shampoo, because you want your hair to be completely cleansed but not stripped and dry. Then I go in with a deep conditioner that left my hair super moisturized. I left it in by accident for like an hour. So maybe that's the key with using this deep conditioner, because it says like only 3 minutes or so, but yeah, I got the best results when I left it in longer. Anytime you straighten your hair, you want to make sure your hair is moisturized, because if your hair is dry and brittle, you're not going to have any movement, you're going to lack shine, and it's not going to last as long. Using one of the best heat protectants, it protects my hair from heat damage, and it's also lightweight, so it doesn't weigh my hair down while giving me more shine. I love using this type of blow dryer. It makes the process way smoother and easier to detangle my hair, and you want your blowout to be as straight as possible. Don't let the straightener have to do all the work. Also, blow drying your hair with even parts will cause less breakage and you snagging your hair, because that's why I have breakage right there. If you need to hold your hair to make sure you don't snag any other strands, then do so.
I can tell the story of how I've overcome. Dark were the days I didn't know the sun. Numb to the thought of love, and so I chose to run. But yeah, called me home, and so his will be done.
You see how my hair has body and movement even when it's blow dried? That's how you know your silk press about to come out right. Now I'm just going over my hair with cool air to smooth my hair before straightening, and it does a little something. This part is optional.
There's hope for tomorrow with him. There's joy in sorrow. There is no greater love.
Now we're straightening the hair, and I start off hitting the roots a few times, and then I pass through the rest of the section of the hair just once. Only one pass, y'all. If you want to keep your curls and you don't want heat damage and your ends being fried, only do one pass. Now, when I really want my hair to be silky, I use the highest setting, which is 450, but I only use 419 this time. And I will say the type of straightener that you use does matter. However, I've used this same Conair straightener. I mean, y'all, I've had this since high school. It's been years. So I don't know. Either this is a really good straightener and I forgot to mention, of course, the chasing method. So use a small tooth comb after the flat iron to really get every strand. Protectant to add just a little bit more shine and to smooth everything. As you can see, it already has a lot of shine, but I hope this helps somebody, because I really just tried to keep it short and straight to the point. But let me know in the comments below though, and also give this video a thumbs up so I will actually know, is it helping y'all? And I think my hair has grown, y'all, since the last silk press video that I posted. I'm gonna give y'all the slow-mos, of course, but thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.
The next station is